Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about nails and how I achieve the salon look at home. Now I'm sure you guys have heard of the Apres Gel X nail system. This is a dupe kit that I got on Amazon for around 30 bucks. So this is a great way to kind of jump out there and practice with this in case you want to invest in the Apres nail system. This video is not sponsored, but I will leave an affiliate link down below to the kit that I am using. So let's just jump right in. You will also need a nail drill. This is just going to buff down the natural nail so that the tips better adhere to your nail bed. Go ahead and buff down the inside of the nail tips as well. This is just going to allow the gel to stick better to your natural nail. So this technique is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to apply the gel glue to the tip, apply it to your natural nail, cure it under the UV light, and repeat. Super simple once you get the hang of it. As long as you prep your nails properly in the beginning, these should last 2 to 3 weeks. I've definitely pushed 3 weeks with these nails. So I like this. I also do love traditional nail glue. I like to switch back and forth because this product is a little strong. So just as a disclaimer, I wouldn't do this back to back to back. I would give the nails a rest before you do this again, because your nail bed becomes a little sensitive to the light after a while. So just a heads up, I like to do this, and then my next set, I'll do a traditional nail glue. I'm going to leave a link down below to some of the best nail glue I've ever tried. They use this brand in the nail shops. My press-ons stay on for 2 to 3 weeks sometimes, and this glue is just the truth. So be sure to check down below for that link as well. So here is one hand completed. It looks so different. Like my hands, I do not like my hands, y'all. Like I have little old lady hands. They're really wrinkled from having eczema. So I have to wear nail tips. I just do. I need a little bit of nail because my hands be struggling, okay, without them. But I'm just going to repeat this process, and I am going to wear UV gloves as well. These just help from overexposure to the UV lamp, so I will link these down below as well, because as you can see later, I'll do like a re-cure under the bigger UV lamp, and I just don't like to put my bare hands underneath because I do this often. I try to protect my hands as best as possible. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to cut my nails down and shape them. I'm an almond girl. Comment down below what shape you like the best. And I'm going to finish the look with a nude polish. I don't experiment a whole lot with color. I like nude, and that's it. But let me know, what are some of you guys' favorite nude shades out there, because I love to try them all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's just vibe out for the rest, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.